Welcome back to GK Funda. In this video, we will discuss the part 1 of fundamental right of Indian Constitution. Number 1. The fundamental right of Indian citizen is similar to that of USA is Bill of Rights. Question number 2. The fundamental rights is a subject under Union list. Question number 3. The fundamental right is under part 3. Question number 4. The competent authority who can change or amend the fundamental right by Parliament on 2/3 majority of its present voting. Question number 5. The importance of fundamental right is under Article 13. Question number 6. The definition of fundamental right is under Article 12. Question number 7. The right is fundamental in the sense that it is not only guaranteed by the Constitution but also protected and recognized by the government and enforceable by the court. Question number 8. If any dispute arises between the fundamental right on one hand and an ordinary law on the other hand, then fundamental right will win. Question number 9. Right to equality is under Article 14. Question number 10. Equality has two parts. A. Equality before law. B. Equal protection of law. Question number 11. Equality before law refers to all are equal in eyes of law. Question number 12. Equal protection of law refers to all shall be equally protected by the common law of the country. Question number 13. Abolition of social discrimination is under Article 15. Question number 14. Article 16(1) provides equal opportunity in the government employment. Question number 15. Article 16(2) provides there shall be some specific job for specific category of people. Question number 16. Right against untouchability is under Article 17. Question number 17. Abolition of titles like Raja, Rai Bahadur is under Article 18. Question number 18. Article 18 also provides the possession of award like Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, etc. If you think that this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel.